Hi, friends. On the Christ is All podcast, there are a number of messages that I delivered in Michigan in the fall of 2025. Episode 248, A Collision of Temples, God's Restoration Work Continues. I delivered at a conference hosted by a Christian college in Michigan. Episode 249, Mud in Your Eyes, Jesus versus the Religious Mind, was a talk I gave to a group of ministers, faculty, and grad students of that Christian college. Episode 250, Despise Not the Day of Small Things, Restoring God's Eternal Purpose. And that was a message I delivered to a network of churches in Michigan. I want to share a song with you that is based on the message I delivered, Despise Not the Day of Small Things, Restoring God's Eternal Purpose. So if you listen to that message first, which I would recommend highly, and then come back and listen to this song, it will be far more meaningful. Now, a qualifier. I am not a talented musician and I am not a gifted vocalist. Some background to this song. The truths that I delivered in that message, Despise Not the Day of Small Things, I had discovered them when I was 30 years old. And out of that discovery, I wrote a song. And the title of it is Consider Your Ways. Now, back then, my voice was higher than it is now. But I'm going to try to do this, not because it's a professional performance. It's not. This is an amateur singing a song that he believes the Lord gave him. And I'm speaking of myself, and so I'm going to share this song with you, but again, please listen to the message first. It's episode 250, Despise Not the Day of Small Things, Restoring God's Eternal Purpose. And this is the song that goes along with that message. One other thing to keep in mind as you're listening to the song is that I was listening to a lot of Keith Green during the time, so that same vibe that marked a lot of Keith Green's songs comes through in this one. I would also encourage you to open up Haggai chapter 1 in the New King James Version as you listen to the lyrics. Here it is.
My world is dying, and my people have left my name. My house stands desolate, and there are few who feel my pain. The night is falling fast, but my people are sound asleep. Too busy to open my word, too tired to fight for me. Consider your way, my child, for I'm in need of you. Is it right to build your house while my house lies in ruins? Will you say that you love me, but have you heard my call? You can keep your life to yourself until you give it all. Give me all. You say you've sown so much, but the harvest isn't here. But how long have you cried to me, even shedding a single tear? Oh, you crave my blessings, for this is why you pray. But until you give all for me, my glory I will not display. Consider your way, my child, for I'm in need of you. Is it right to build your house while my house lies in ruins? Well, you say that you love me, but have you heard my call? You can keep your life to yourself until you give it all. Give me all. Oh, my people, you do it is right, but only in your own eyes. But can't you hear my spirit speak through my body, which I supply? and thus the heavens won't rain, the earth does withhold her fruit. I gave my blood for the church. What have you done, and what will you do? Consider your way, my child, for I'm in need of you. Is it alright to build your house while my house lies in ruins? Well, you say that you love me, but have you heard my call? You can keep your life to yourself until you give it all.